The Administrative Fellowship Program is a 12-month-long program where we pull recent graduates from across the country, students who have just finished their master's degrees in public health, health administration, business administration, nursing administration, and we bring them here to UCLA Health, and we educate and train them to be the future generation of healthcare leaders.
I can't think of a better place to work. Anything that you're going to see in healthcare, you're going to see at UCLA Health. It is our responsibility and our privilege to really train that next generation of healthcare professionals and healthcare leaders.
There are only certain opportunities that you have to work in an environment that involves patient care, teaching, and research. Our training programs offer that. There is no other place like UCLA.
We're getting exposure to things as fellows that we probably wouldn't see in our careers for 10, 15, 20 years. You're learning so much constantly, which is amazing, and there's a whole support system of mentors to ensure that you're successful along the way.
Part of my mentorship is to help them navigate our systems and feel part of the team, and we support them throughout the entire process. We meet with them regularly to ensure that we're answering their questions. We're guiding them not only professionally, but also sometimes personally to achieving their goals.
As a fellow, I had the opportunity to spend time in the kitchen. I had time to spend time in our sterile processing department. I looked at our setup for emergencies, looked at the helipad, but then on top of that, all of the strategic decision making and what those processes are like that make those things happen.
I'm coming here from Army Baylor. I'm an active duty Army officer. As part of a partnership we have with UCLA, we come over here to complete the training phase of our program. UCLA is a world-renowned hospital with so many new techniques and innovations that I can bring that back over to the Army and really impact the care of our servicemen and women and their families.
One of the things that is most valuable about the fellowship is the opportunity that it gives you to see and be exposed to leadership and leadership decisions. Many people who do fellowships are fearful of speaking up. I think we embrace that here. So if people want to participate, we want to hear their feedback because everyone has a voice at the table.
Any meeting that we're interested in attending, any individual that we'd like to meet with is allowed and encouraged. Any individual that I've reached out to has been more than willing to meet with me and teach me what they do and involve me in what they're doing. We get to be involved in meet and greets, we get to shadow, we get ownership of our own projects, and at the end of the day, we get to create value for this healthcare institution.
From the moment I stepped foot on campus, I could tell that this place was different. I asked every single person I interviewed with that day, why do you stay at UCLA Health? Every single person said, it's the people. It's the people and it's the mentorship. And so I was fortunate to be offered the Administrative Fellowship here, and it was a half-a-second decision.
If you're thinking about applying for a fellowship program at UCLA Health, don't hesitate. This is the place to be.
It's life-changing, one of the best career decisions I've ever made.
It's absolutely fantastic. Everyone is extremely welcoming, and such commitment from the senior leadership to really develop you and grow you as an individual. And you can take that and you can bring that forward through the rest of your career.